Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel PK Educational Takeoff. In this video, I am going to tell you that how you are able to calculate physics numerical in a few seconds because too much students are not able to understand the question due to which they are unable to solve it. But doesn't matter, I came with few tips and tricks through which you are able to calculate it any physics numerical. And first of all, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon for the next video. So without wasting our time, we just move to understand how we are able to calculate it. So now let's move. Here I have taken one question. Through this question I make your concept better and make you a boost labor performance. So without skipping this video, watch full video. Now the solving of this question, I have made some rule how you are able to understand. So you just follow my guidelines what I have told here. First of all, we calculate this question in a stepwise. So number one step is that you have read the question carefully. Here, just like me, what the question I have taken here, a circular coil of wire consisting of 100 turn, each of radius 8 centimeter, carrying a current of 0.4 ampere. What is the magnitude of the field? Now here we know what the question actually asks with us. So number one step is that you write the given. What are the given in the question? We know that here given is that number of turn. The turn is equal to 100 and radius is given are 8 centimeter, and also the current is given here 0.4 ampere. So current I is given 0.4 ampere. What the question actually asks to calculate with us, we just focus on that point. So next step is that we focusing what the question actually accept from us. So here the question asks with us that what is the magnitude of the field. So we know that we are going to find the magnitude. Now if we read the chapter, we know that from the application of Biot-Savart law, the field is equal to mu naught ni by 2a, where a is the radius or distance. So simply we put the value of this and find the field. So what is the value of the mu naught? We know that value of mu naught is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7, and number of turn n is given here 100, and I is also given 0.4, and 2 into a is that r is given in centimeter, but we always calculate in a meter. So we know that in 8 centimeter is equal to 0.08 meter. Now here we put 0.08 meter. That's all. Now next step is that our calculation, how we are able to calculate it. If our calculation is fast, so we can easily calculate the any numericals. So make your calculation fast. Now here we are going to calculate it. Here we focus on that point or that number which are calculated easily, like 2 is calculated here, 2 to the 4, and now we change the point into a number like that. 2 pi into 10 to the power 7, and 100 can also be written in form of 10 square, and 0.4 can be written 4 by 8, and if we remove this point, 10 is below the 4. If we remove this point, 100 above the 8. Now here we cut from it, and we know that from here our calculation become easy, so we are able to calculate easily. 4 to the 8, 2 to cancel here, and now pi into 10 to the power of minus 4 Tesla. We always take the field in a Tesla. Now here our calculation are easily solved. Here we are able to solve it. Now these all are the steps which you should know and make your calculation fast. Thank you for watching me.